big shout out to TCL, guys. Your man BG Tech Life, and they sent your boy the TCL 10 5G ultra wideband. Now, as you can see, they sent over a big nice package, and it has the phone actually in the package, and I think we got some other things in this package, guys. But look at this beauty on the front of the box. So we're gonna have to dig into all of this, guys. As you can see, we got a lot of features and we got a lot of good specs going on, guys. 5G, don't forget that, guys. Yes, sir. They sent over the TCL 5G ultra wideband, so that's dope. But let's see what else we got going on in the box, guys. Oh, big shout out to TCL again for sending out the microfiber, because I'm gonna need it for this beautiful device. And they also sent your boy out the Spec Presidio Clear to keep this device out of harm's way, guys. Really dope. And a real big shout out to TCL for sending your boy BG Tech Life out this phone so he can really check it out. Let's go. Man, look at the 3D glass on the back of this thing, man. This is a beauty, like a kaleidoscope. As you can see, we got a triple camera setup, TCL and Verizon 5G branding. This phone is nothing but a beauty. What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got the TCL 10 5G ultra wideband unlocked. Now, guys, this is a Verizon phone. It comes with Verizon. Get this on Verizon for $399, and that's a very big deal, because this phone comes with the Snapdragon 765 processor. So that enables it to have 5G, and I mean, it is not the big dog 865, but the 765 is what's in your Pixel 5, guys. I've had the Pixel 5. This chipset runs really good, really smooth. You're not gonna notice the difference, guys. So definitely a big dog processor in a budget device that has 5G. So just kind of like a big deal for real. For $399, you're getting a good processor and you're getting 5G on Verizon, the ultra wideband, which is really dope. So a couple things about this phone that I noticed off the break that I'm feeling is the display, guys. The display on this phone looks really good. I had the TCL 10 and that display was really good, so I already expected this thing to have a nice display, and it does have a nice display. Second thing about this phone, it's got the pinhole notch in the corner, how I like it. When the phone has a nice display, I like that it has that pinhole notch and it's kind of symmetrical on the front. Nice little bezel, not too big. It looks very good, guys. Aesthetically, it looks, as you can see, is a beautiful device. So let's talk about the finish on the back, guys. Has a beautiful finish on the back. It is a fingerprint magnet, but it's just this beautiful shimmering, like there it is, there, watch it shimmer. But it's a beautiful shimmering finish on the back, guys, with a fingerprint scanner, and you actually got 3 cameras. You got a 48 megapixel main camera, you got an 8 megapixel wide angle camera, and a 5 megapixel macro camera with dual flashes, guys, on this thing. So that is, you see the TCL branding, you see the Verizon 5G branding, guys. So this is a big dog. You know what I'm saying? At this price point right here, guys, this is a big dog, and it's competing with phones that's upwards of $600, $700, $800, $900, straight up and down. It's got a nice processor. It's got 5G. It's got a good display. The cameras have to be tested, guys. But just my first impressions is a beautiful device, guys. And nice 6.5 inch display that looks amazing. You're getting a lot of your colors. It's got real good color production. And it has different color modes, so you can get that vivid look that you want, things of that nature, which your eyes may be used to, guys. So we got it in the house. I'm going to be reviewing it. Definitely a big shout out to TCL for sending this thing out, guys. I'ma really enjoy and put this phone through the paces on its review process. But hey, just off the break, I can tell you it's a beautiful device, and I mean straight up and down, Snapdragon 765, 5G, $399, 6.5 inch screen that looks amazing on Verizon. I mean, you can walk in the store and spend that type of money and bringing out this type of phone is a good look. So that's just my first impressions, guys. It's your man BG. Like I said, we're gonna really get into this. Follow me on Instagram, BG_TechLife. Follow me on Twitter, BG_TechLife. And also, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Try and grow the channel. If you're watching, go ahead hit the subscribe button. Go ahead hit the like button, man. But yeah, first, out the gate, TCL 10 5G ultra wideband is looking like definitely a go. At the price point, is not a lot competing with nothing like this, guys. So it's your man BG. I'm out. Peace.